Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Ka khusna mati thau ne ka Crystal Award arajar arpuai ne ka benta ka jingtbit hakikam thodor la Pynkup Burom do ulat ka jilna Usatyapal Malik ya Samla Wanhi Challam na ka shnong chiliang ra jawai haka khat artari upnai nailar arajar arpuai ka badai ru ka lingkho sniyap ka basam jong ka Samla Crystal Gale Kharnayor Yakni ka khusnam la seng de ka sanjuk ki barikor khasi ka Riti Academy ha ka ba menta usnam la ibit yaki kam bakan sai jong Samla Wanhi Challam ubalashna yaki animation film Shapang ukyang nang ba Umar Phalingki ka beding klam bat ki wei Haka jingrakhi yakni ka sngi le don langru ba FR Kharkongor ubalong Commissioner and Secretary jong katanat Arts and Culture uba Rafael Wardri ubadai uklido jong ka Riti Academy lembat kiwei
Bapa hati tingin kami kawan nek apa mesin ya ka Burom ka akor ba kon dengan Wanhi Islam beliau dari Burom na Riti Academy na ai boleh ketam ya Pak Rafael Wardri nong punya dari Riti Academy na ai boleh ketam ya umat belum kemukuara dan kecelakaan mereka na ai boleh ketam ya udah FR Kharkongor upaya rendang. Nah, ayat kublai kerpang. Ya, pi perlu kerja kebarangan itu. Henrai kemensin kejongpi bagi rendang kami kelong kebat pensegi. Ya, kini setiap bandra yang kini enam Burom banyak apa kepakai kan pet ya kini kau buat kebat Riti Academy kelai hau kun.
Taking a cue from this, I would like to address this, which is something relevant to our state, in the sense that in the whole of India, I think each and every state have their own institutions. But it is unfortunate that in the northeast of India, hardly there are any institutions. There's only one in Assam, one in Manipur, which is not functioning properly, and the other one is in Tripura. Tripura is very recently. So Challam being the erstwhile capital of the entire Northeast India, we are very anxious that an art institution, a proper art college should come up here. We knew of the fact that there is an art faculty in the Northeastern Hill University, but this one is just a postgraduate diploma. So we have been, on this aspect, we have been from Riti Academy. We have been, try to initiate and motivate different sources from the government and from private initiatives and from wherever we can teach to. So I take this opportunity to impress upon you, sir, and Frederick and Robin Bakti and many other, officials of the government to kindly also support support our cause to set up an art college here in the state.
A very noble endeavor that from Riti Academy they have instituted this award. Almost every year in memory or to celebrate the works of various upcoming artists. I was fortunate that last year I was present with Rafael Wajri at the previous Crystal Award, and another upcoming artist was then felicitated. And I think hats off to Mr. Rafael Wajri for doing what he does, for nurturing artists. That not only that he is an artist who limits or restricts art to himself, but he also has created this wonderful academy which nurtures and which also creates and which promotes various artists.
Apart from paintings, Riti Academy is also involved in various creative pursuits of films, theatre, photography and literature. Few of the films and theatre were nominated at some international festivals and few more are in pipeline. 2 documentaries films were nominated at the Film South Asia 97 Festival of South Asian Documentation at Kathmandu, Nepal. Then 6th Dhaka International Short Film Festival 2008, the Pacific Asia Tourism Festival 1996 Singapore, and a few other festivals. Crystal Gale was true artist and a theatre person of excellence. It is heartening to make known that Riti Academy of Visual Art are formed with the objective of nurture, sustain and propagate the genuine understanding of aesthetics and emphasis on indigenous conceptualization and attitude towards art and literature. In relevance in the situation and time, the people of the region have undergone through various phases of history, and the situation is taken shape by the forces of influence from other dominant cultures. This mission and movement in our talk of Riti Academy to create positive emerges and opportunities to cultural research and practice. Since its inception in 1991, Riti Academy of Visual Arts has traversed a long way in providing congenial space for the art fraternity to meaningfully work and realize the potential and vision. There is a need to be proactive in catering the youth with formal art education, exposure of suitable platforms, and small every opportunity from the state government, particularly when the 15th anniversary of the state in the offing Meghalaya is endowed with many qualified artists, and prospect is favorable for setting up a proper art institution of repute, while the authority must provide ample infrastructure and other support for elementary and advanced art education in the state.